The grace of God comes in chain. It does not come at a go. It's just like somebody trying to practice humility. It takes a gradual process. As you are practicing humility, before you know, other virtues start coming in, chastity, you start becoming more chaste. And the reason why I'm making this video is there are sometimes that you see some people will know that some particular things in their life are sins, but they will not be making any effort to stop it. If you're not making any effort to stop the ones that you know that is a sin in your life, you will not be disposed to see other things too that are sins in your life that you need to stop. You will not be disposed towards that. Let's use an example of someone who is in the habit of lying. If the person does not make effort to stop lying, the person will not be able to take note of other things too that are in their life that they need to stop, other bad habits that they need to stop. But let's say, okay, you know that lying is a sin. You don't need a prophet to tell you that, and you stop lying. It will dispose you to have more graces to be able to see other things in your life that is not good. Let's say there's a way you treated that your neighbor. You will be able to, it will dispose you to be able to see that one. Let's say there are other things to maybe divine grace. It will dispose you because of what you are hearkening to the grace of God. The one He gave you, you are hearkening to that grace. He will give you more. It's just like in the parable of the talent. He gave one talent to one of the servants. The master gave two talents to another servant, gave five to another servant. To whom much has been given, much will be expected. If you are disposed to the grace of God, the one He has given you, you make good use of it. You'll be disposed. It will make you open to seeing other areas of your life that you need to work on.